To connect your patient programmer to Wi-Fi, first open the My Home Stream application on your patient programmer. From the main screen, tap the down arrow to access additional information. Tap on Wi-Fi and select from your available networks. Enter your network password. After inputting your password, the Connect button becomes active. On trusted networks, select the option to Auto Reconnect by toggling on. Then tap to connect. When complete, you can tap the Home icon to return to your home screen. You are now connected to Wi-Fi. For information and answers to questions about using your Prospera SCS system, visit biotronic.com/myprospera or reach out directly to your Embrace One care team.